Hello friends, and welcome to today's project of making lemon curd. The ingredient list is in the description. This is what summer tastes like. Just look at how smooth and shiny this is. A spoonful of this will wake you up with its fresh, sharp but light all-round body. Spread it on your toast, fill your cupcakes, or just steal spoonfuls of this. Once you make this, you can do whatever you want, and it all starts with the humble lemon. The key to making great lemon curd is using fresh lemons. I don't ever want you to use bottled lemon juice. Make the effort and go out and get fresh lemons. One of the main reasons is that fresh lemons have zest filled with great lemon oil in the pores. Take the skin and squeeze it, and immediately you are greeted with a powerful lemon scent that coats your fingers. This you can't get in a bottle with lemon juice. Here, let me show you. I'm going to help you see what I mean. With the help of my camera light, a black background, and the slow-mo function on my camera, I'm just going to squeeze the lemon skin and watch the explosion happen. It happens so fast, this is in real time, without the help of my slow-mo function on my camera. Just look at that. I'm just pressing lightly, and it already sprays the oils onto the board. That smells powerful, fresh and lively. So here is a trick that I do. Take a medium bowl and pour in 125 grams of caster sugar. Take a microplane to finely zest the lemons over the sugar. This is important so that the oils coming out goes onto the sugar, so that isn't wasted. Zest 2 lemons until they become naked. Next, juice the lemons that you have just zested. We need 125 grams of juice. Nothing beats freshly squeezed lemon juice. Don't worry about the pulp at this stage. Next, while my machine is out, I have a beater attachment. This part is optional, but it makes a difference. Place the sugar and zest in the bowl. Turn on the machine. Let that go for 5 minutes. If you don't have a machine or food processor, you can just use a whisk. What is happening here is the zest and sugar are becoming intimate with each other. After 5 minutes, you will have just created lemon sugar, and this just takes it to another level. Even the sugar has turned slightly yellow. Then pour in the juice. Turn on the machine again. Let that go. This will help in dissolving the sugar slightly. While that is going, measure out 100 grams or 2 whole eggs depending on the size of your eggs, and then 100 grams of egg yolks. Pour the whole eggs and egg yolks into the machine. Let that mix for about 1 minute. Take a medium-sized pot and pour the mixture in. Take the pot over to the stove. Turn on the heat to low. We do not want the mixture to boil. While the mixture is on the stove, make sure you keep the mixture moving, especially the bottom. I am just checking the temperature here, and it is about 36 degrees Celsius. We want the temperature to reach 82 degrees Celsius. Over time, it will get thicker, but keep stirring. Once it has reached 82 degrees Celsius, take it off from the heat. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Measure out 110 grams of cold cubed butter. Make sure the cubes are in uniform size. Now we can incorporate the butter. Take about 4 cubes at a time and toss that in. Whisk the butter. What this does is that it makes it creamy and velvety. When you do it this way, you are making sure that the butter isn't going to split and that the cold butter helps to cool down the mixture. Once the first 4 cubes have been mixed in, toss in another 4 cubes and repeat the whisking. The whisking also adds in air, making the curd lighter. Just to show you, we started when the mixture was about 82 degrees Celsius, and now it is about 41 degrees Celsius after a couple of cold cube butters have been mixed in. Once all the butter has been mixed in, just test it out with a spoon. You can see here that it draws a line perfectly. Now for the final part. Take another bowl and place a fine sieve on the top. Pour the curd in and sieve it. This part is also optional to remove the zest in the curd, but I like a super smooth curd. You can throw the zest away. Now, it is super smooth and ready to be placed in a container. I can't wait. I just want to have some right now. Place some cling film over the surface to avoid a skin from forming in the fridge. Place it in the fridge. Overnight is best. In the meantime, do check out my channel for other curd recipes. The next day, take it out from the fridge. Peel back the cling film. Just look at that spread. It is nice and firm. But if you want it looser, just give that a mix. All that you need to do now is enjoy it. I'm going to have it with some brioche. Just look at that shine. Have a bite. Well, I'm awake now with the intense burst in flavor. Such a kick with lemony goodness, fresh notes, and a smooth finish. The best part is, it is light, so that I can have some more. I will be honest with you, I had 3 slices of brioche with lemon curd. I was being very naughty, but hey, nobody is gonna stop me. Well, there you have it, lemon curd. Go and make this, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.